Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product review. It's a Husky tool chest, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so what we have here is the Husky tool chest. I picked this up on sale, super good deal, and now we're gonna do the unboxing and see what it looks like. Alright, as you can see, it's unboxed. There is no damage. I'm wondering where the top piece is. I'm guessing it's in there. Not sure yet. The manual is up top here, and it seems to be very good. No complaints so far. So I'm gonna open it all up and see what's going on in there. So far, very happy. Guess that is locked. The key is in here. Okay, so in order to remove the top piece for in there, we have to remove these 4 screws over here, and that's what we're gonna do. When you have the 4 screws taken out, you need to remove the nuts on the 4 sides too. So I'm going to do that. And when you have that removed, that's when this comes out. So, just like that. And then we have to install this back in place. So right now would be a good time to put on the casters or rolling legs, whatever you want to call it, on, since we have it on its side. So we're going to do that right now and get it installed. Some more hardware in here, and seems like pretty good quality. Locking nuts on one side, and then it sits on both corners like this, so not bad. This is gonna go in place over here, and then we're just gonna lock it down. The locking washers go on first, and then the nuts. after the first one is the first wheel is on, it's pretty much the same thing for the next two. So I'm just gonna put that on a time lapse, get this done real quick, and then cut you guys back on and you can see the final result. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what I'm experiencing, right? So you really have to push it in there for this to lock. Now it's locked, but that really has to go in there. So it's not the best quality. When you do push it in there, it does kind of latch in place, if you can tell. But for the price, I'm not complaining. Alright, so on the bottom it has a sticky felt like stains, 4 of them for the top drawer, and I just stick it there, press it in. So you always have to unlock the top first before you can pull out the drawers. I just learned that too. But you always have to unlock the top before this can slide out. Even if this is locked, that's not gonna come out. That came out. But even if it's unlocked, it's not gonna come out until this is up. Then they all slide out. When you have tools in it, I believe the weight is gonna aid in that motion of getting it in there, locking it in place. Overall, it's not bad for the price. There could be something else out there that's better, but I'm happy with this. So overall impression, I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. Like I said, for the price paid, it is not a bad unit. And you get what you pay for, as the saying goes. So I don't think this is bad by any means. Everything works like it should. I think each drawer is estimated 50 pounds. I'll have to double check, don't quote me on that. But I think they are rated at 50 pounds each. I remember you always have to unlock this before you can open the drawers. So that's open, it slides out. So I don't think it's bad. It's really good for the quality and for the price. So it's a win in my books. So in my books, this is a buy. For the price I paid, like I said, I got a hell of a deal on it. I'm happy with it. If you guys like my videos, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and give me ideas for more videos you want to see. I really wanted this toolbox just because it's better than having a big one that you can move around, and this is very mobile. So it's a win-win for me. And if you guys want to grab this, I'm going to have the link in the description. I'm not sponsored by these people. It's just one I picked up because the price was just good for me. So in my books, 7 out of 10. Buy it if you want to buy it, and have a good one, guys.